This is what Owen does best on rainy days. He jumps in puddles. It's the end of March 2009, and they're both outside seeing who can get wet the most. I can only imagine what they're saying to each other. Alright, here they come. I'm gonna walk the camera over to the front door. Hey! What were you guys doing out there? Owen, what were you doing out there, buddy?
Making a mess in the puddle.
Owen, what were you doing out there?
Making a mess in the puddle.
Okay, Owen, talk. Owen, what were you doing out there?
I'm making a mess in the puddle. In the New York City puddle.
No, that's Bedford puddles.
In the Bedford puddle.
Alright, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Mama.
Owen?
Bye-bye, Grandma.
Alright.